Have you ever seen Windows error code 0x80070003? The system cannot find the path specified. Let's troubleshoot it step by step. This error means Windows is trying to access a location that it can no longer find. The folder may have been moved, renamed, deleted, or the path itself may be incorrect. You might see it during Windows Update, while opening files or folders, running a program or script, accessing a mapped network drive, or using backup and system restore. Before fixing anything, think like IT support. Did someone recently move or rename the file or folder? Did the problem start after an update or software installation? Is the missing path on a network or external drive? And does the same problem happen from another user account or computer? Now let's fix it. First, check the path. Verify that the folder actually exists and that it hasn't been moved, renamed, or deleted. If it's a network or external drive, confirm the device is connected and accessible, and verify that the mapped drive or network path is still correct. If Windows system files may be involved, open command prompt as administrator and run sfc /SCANNOW. Still getting the error? Run DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health. Then restart the computer and repeat the exact action that originally generated error 0x80070003. If Windows finds the path and the operation completes successfully, the issue is resolved. If the error continues, check Event Viewer or the application logs to identify exactly which path Windows is trying to access before escalating the ticket. And how do we prevent it? Avoid moving or deleting system and application folders, keep mapped network drives available, safely disconnect external drives, keep Windows updated, and create a restore point before major system changes. Remember, error 0x80070003 tells you Windows can't find the path. Your job as the technician is to find out why, locate the missing path, identify what changed, apply the correct fix, and verify the result. That's IT troubleshooting step by step. Thank you.